Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Node and NPM. Open your terminal, create a new folder, and cd into it. This sets your working context. Once done, run npm init to create package. JSON so npm can manage dependencies. Verify Node with Node v and npm v to confirm versions. Make sure the terminal is pointing at your project root. This avoids installing modules in the wrong place. Now create a simple index.js file to begin writing the code you'll run with Node. You write code in index.js, start with a basic console, log or minimal HTTP server to see immediate output. Run it directly with Node index.js so you understand the execution step. Once comfortable, install Nodeman and run Nodeman index.js for auto restarts while developing. If you need dynamic inputs, pass command line args, node index, JS value and read process, argv or set environment variables for config. For deeper inspection, use node inspect and attach a debugger to step through your code. You're ready to finish. Add npm scripts like start, node index, JS so you can run npm run start and standardize commands. Install dependencies with npm install pkg save and keep package. JSON updated, commit it with package lock. JSON for reproducible installs. When deploying, build and test locally first. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting step is to check your path. Node not found errors usually mean Node isn't on your path. Reinstall or update path and run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.